Well, welcome back, everybody. So today we're finally boiling down some sap again, and I haven't had much luck with my silver maples the past couple years, but this year my buddy talked me into tapping some of my black walnuts, so that's what we're boiling down today. Black walnut sap. We don't have a lot of it, but I'm hoping to get some more today because it's supposed to warm up. So as the day goes on, we're going to keep adding to it. So I'm not trying to do this super fast, but yeah, we're going to see what we end up with. I love days like this, just feeding the fire and making sure everything's going good. The trick with this is you don't want your pan to have any dry spots. You want to keep it under sap at all times, otherwise you're going to burn up your pan. But we have a really nice fire going. This is going off pretty nice. We're not going to end up with a lot, but I just want the girls to see it because they don't even remember doing it hardly because it's been a couple years. So I've got Kaylee going to get me my glass pitcher, and what I do with that, I get the sap in there and I'll set it right here, let it preheat, and then at the end we'll probably put the syrup in that pitcher and we'll be all set. I'm hoping to get some more sap though because it's supposed to warm up today. All right, so she gave me the glass pitcher. I'm gonna put some sap in there. And then, because this stuff's been sitting in the fridge all week, and they say this is like milk, so it'll last like milk. So we started saving probably Sunday, today's Friday, and I didn't want to freeze it because it's just that much more heat you got to make. So we just kept it in the refrigerator, and it's been fine. So this is cool, so now I'm going to try to warm it up before I put it in the pan. So right now I got the girls tapping trees. I have them tapping some more black walnuts. I'm trying to give them a little responsibility. I'm interested to see how this goes and what trees they do end up tapping.
Okay, you can stop filming.
One.
No, trying to get up close so you can see what I'm doing. Is that bucket gonna fit though? Right here. No, right here. What's the stick for?
To get all the stuff out.
Oh, okay.
And stuff's coming out too. See? I think I might drill a little bit more. Actually, no, I think it's good.
Yeah,
Okay.
see how wet that stick is?
Now, I'm gonna keep that stick, but now it's time to put it in. Yeah, it's dripping for sure. And Dad said to do it with this. And now we need the bucket.
Got those?
Thank you. And of course.
All right, I got little buddy out here. Got people bringing me some sticks and bark. So what's going on here, guys? You know what we're doing? You know what's happening here? With the sap? What's this here coming off?
Steam.
That's steam. So that's water. That's right. So we're getting rid of the water, and then in the sap is sugar. We're keeping the sugar, and that's what syrup is. All right, so it's about lunchtime, and I'm trying to wait because I want to get some more jugs of sap, and they're starting to run today. So I'm letting this fire die out, and I'm going to cut the air to it there. And we're going to put that sap in there, and I'm going to go have some lunch. All right, so we're back out here. It's still steaming off a little bit. We just took a couple hour break, lunch. But we're going to go check the taps. We're going to check your taps that you put in, and we'll see how you did. Okay, here's the one that you did by yourself. Oops. It's dripping a little bit. There ain't a whole lot. Here, I'm just going to take it off the hook. We'll take every little bit. Okay. Was that one dripping at all?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, maybe it'll start here.
It was like dry.
Look at that drip. That one's dripping pretty good. So yeah, better than nothing. I'd say come back here in a couple hours. We should have a good bet. Okay, so we'll just add this to our bucket. So we got almost another full bucket here. Like I said, we'll check again here once we get this boiled down. We still got a while yet here, so I'm gonna get this fire going again. This is getting darker. It's hard to see, but this is all black walnut sap, and we've never done this before, so I'm interested to see what it tastes like. It does smell different, I know, than silver maples. I don't know what's going on with my silver maples. We just can't seem to get any sap to come out of them. So we'll take what we can get. Some guys will put blowers here on the bottom. I just open up this bottom and then I'll just leave the door open. I'm always feeding it anyway because we like to use sticks, and that just helps clean up the woodshed and the yard at the same time. All right, so this is getting close. All I got left is that what's in the pitcher, and right now what's in here now is reading about 185 degrees. I'm trying to get it to as close as I can get to 219, I think. So when this is done, I got to be quick and get it out of this pan before it burns it up. So I'm going to have Kaylee hold a pot, and then I'm going to tilt it up, the pan up, and then she'll open up this valve and take all the syrup, and then we'll go inside and we'll filter it, and then I'll take this pan and just throw it out there in the yard, because if I put it back on here, it'll warp and burn it up. Okay, so my pan is not completely covered anymore, so I'm going to take this out. All right, go ahead and open that up. Is it coming? Mm-hmm. Here we go. Coming?
Yep.
I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to take this outside and throw it in the grass. All right, I got my air damper there shut, and then I just put the metal plates that I'm using over top. That way no sparks jump out, and that'll just go out itself. So we're going to go inside and finish it. Okay, we're going to dip this sap out in syrup and filter it, because there was a bunch of junk in there. And it's easier now before it gets all thick. Look at all the stuff it's catching. That's alright, we're going to filter it a couple times. We got it filtered, and now I got the thermometer leaning so it's not touching the bottom. And we're trying to get up to 219. What do you think, buddy?
No, it's still there.
You want some syrup?
No, it's there.
No, okay. Okay, there we are. We are done. We'll turn that off. Then we're going to filter it one more time. We never did have to use the butter. We're going to filter it one more time, and then we'll put it in a jar. We're just using this mesh screen now because we already put it through the filters. Just make sure there's nothing big in there. And we're going to get every last drop. Black walnut syrup. We've never done that before. Okay, so there's what we've got so far. We're going to do another boil down here in a couple days. But that turned out really, really nice, and it tastes really good too. We're happy with it. Can't wait to get some more so that we can have some pancakes, waffles, whatever it might be. Hey friends, did you enjoy that last video? If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified every time we post a video. And while you're there, be sure to check out our playlist and our store for some awesome farmhouse merch. We appreciate every single one of you. Thank you.